how to pay with Klarna on Temu. Hello and welcome to our channel Web Quiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay with Klarna on Temu. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. First of all, I want to show you on Klarna.com how does it work, because basically this app or this platform is going to allow you to pay in 4 different payments. So this is going to split the cost of your purchase into 4 payments paid every 2 weeks, just more time to pay for the things you love. So you're going to pay on 30 days and monthly financing. So our transparent credit options offer in partnership with Web Bank member FDIC give you flexible financing you need to seamlessly shop larger purchases. So here on Temu, what you need to do is to try to make some shopping here. Let's make an example, I don't know, with this t-shirt. So I'm going to buy this. Obviously you can select the size, you can select the quantity and add to cart, and I'm going into the cart. Okay, in order to make your payment, you must to click on checkout, and as you can see, there you have the option to pay with Afterpay or Klarna. Probably what you need to do is to sign it to check your card. So you are going to create an account. By now I'm going to subscribe myself with a Gmail account, and now that I'm able to make the checkout, continue to check out, I don't want to buy anything else. As you can see, they accept PayPal, Visa, different brands of credit cards, and also Afterpay or Klarna. So you need to fill all this data, probably also the account that you have here on Klarna, and in that way you're gonna be able to pay with Klarna on Temu. Thanks for watching.